That's it. Well, sometimes when you come out to the side, you can go so fast.
Where's he going to go?
Is he going to go across the wake?
That lake.
It's the hardest bit going across the wake. I always have to wind myself up to it. Go right. I've got to go across. Got to go across.
You must be getting close to the trees.
He's going well. He's standing up right now.
Bit choppy.
I don't know how the hell people do this on the sea. I've no idea.
Supposed to be going quick.
In the wake. Oh, good effort.